Uh, Good morning to all of you. Today I will discuss about differential equation. Okay, so in differential equation we will discuss about the first introduction, the second is order and degree of differential equation. Okay, now the third one is formation of differential equation, that is how we form differential equation. The fourth is solution of differential equation, and the finally orthogonal trajectory. Okay. So I will discuss this 4-5 subtopics. The first is introduction. So what is the differential equation? हम differential equation कहते किसे हैं? Okay. So by name it is clear that it is an equation involve differential term. नाम से ये clear है कि ये एक equation है जिसमें differential term involve है. तो हम लिख लेते हैं इसे an equation which involves differential coefficients, independent variable and dependent variable is known as differential equation. ठीक है, तो differential equation में क्या होना चाहिए भाई? एक डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट पहले तो इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए, फिर आपका इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होना चाहिए, डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होना चाहिए. एज फॉर एग्जांपल x dy by dx plus y equals to 0. Okay, so this is an equation, equal to sign is here. Okay, and differential term is involved in this, so I can say that this is a differential equation. Okay, I can again write x square d2y by dx square plus y dy by dx plus xy equals to 0. So this is also a differential equation because differential coefficient is here, independent variable is here, dependent variable is here. Also d2y by dx square equals to 0. This is also a differential equation. Okay, so the necessity is that in equation the differential term is must. Okay, डिफरेंशियल टर्म का रहना जरूरी है, डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल हो या ना हो चलेगा, बट डिफरेंशियल टर्म का रहना जरूरी है ना. अगेन आई कैन से d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus ay equals to 0. So this also contains differential term, dependent variable, but here we can see that there is a constant, that is arbitrary constant is involved in this equation. Then I cannot say that this is a differential equation, because differential equation only contains 3 parts. That will be maybe a independent variable, dependent variable, and differential coefficient is must. So if any equation having these 3 parts, so I can say that it is a differential equation. Otherwise, if an equation contains arbitrary constant, so this will be not a differential equation. Now talk about order and degree. Order and degree. So what is the order and degree of differential equation? So order is an equation, the highest derivative involved in that equation. So the order of the highest derivative is known as the order of differential equation. As for example, first we can define it as order. So order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative involved in equation. सो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में जो हाईएस्ट डेरिवेटिव इन्वॉल्व होगा उसी के ऑर्डर को हम क्या कहेंगे, उस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का ऑर्डर कहेंगे. एज फॉर एग्जांपल एक्स स्क्वायर dy बाई dx प्लस y d2y by dx square equals to 0. So in this equation we can clearly say that the highest derivative is d2y by dx square. So order of this equation will be equals to 2 as the second order derivative is involved in this equation. So I say that the order of this equation will be 2. Okay. Now talk about degree. What is the degree of differential equation? So first we define it. Degree of differential equation is the degree of highest derivative involved in differential equation. Okay, so degree of differential equation is defined as the degree of the highest derivative involved in differential equation. But first here take some consideration that differential equation must be written in polynomial form of differential coefficient. Okay, तो डिग्री की बात हम तभी करेंगे जब डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हमारा डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट के पॉलिनोमियल्स के टर्म में लिखा होगा. ठीक है, जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल लेकर हम इसे समझते हैं. dy by dx to the power half equals to x d2y upon dx square to the power 3 by 2. So here the differential equation is not written in a polynomial form of differential coefficient because there is a power of half and 3 by 2 on the differential coefficient. So the differential coefficient must be free from रेडिकल फ्री और फ्री फ्रॉम फ्रैक्शनल पावर. जैसे कि ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जो है तो इसके जो डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट्स जो हैं वो रेशनल पावर से फ्री होने चाहिए, तभी हम कहेंगे कि ये जो है एक पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है. तो इसे हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए वी टेक स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड. इफ वी स्क्वायर बोथ साइड वी विल गेट dy by dx equals to x d2y by dx square to the whole power 3. Okay, so now this form is a differential equation in the form of polynomial form. Okay, तो ये एक differential equation है जो कि polynomial form में लिखा है. So here the highest derivative involved is d2y by dx square. So the order of this equation will be equals to 2. Okay, and as the degree is defined, the highest degree of highest derivative involved in the highest degree is defined as the degree of highest derivative involved in differential equation. So here the highest derivative is d2y by dx square and degree of this highest derivative is 3. So degree will be equals to 3. ठीक है, यहाँ हाईएस्ट डेरिवेटिव आपका d2y by dx स्क्वायर हुआ है ना, और इसका जो पावर है वो 3 है. तो इस पूरे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का जो डिग्री होगा वो भी क्या हो जाएगा, 3 हो जाएगा. तो ध्यान रखेंगे कि डिग्री और ऑर्डर की बात करने से पहले हम दो बातों का ध्यान रखेंगे. पहला ये है, बिफोर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिग्री एंड ऑर्डर, differential equation must be written in polynomial or differential coefficients must be radical free। मतलब कि डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट जो होंगे उनके पावर जो है फ्रैक्शनल नहीं होने चाहिए, यानी कि वो रेडिकल फ्री होने चाहिए, है ना। और दूसरा है डिग्री ऑफ e to the power dy by dx ln dy by dx sin dy by dx cos dy by dx। so degree of this type of term are not defined as their expansion is possible and they cannot be written in polynomial form। okay, कहने का मतलब ये है कि ऐसे टर्म जैसे कि e to the power dy by dx ln dy by dx sin dy by dx, तो इन सब का हम डिग्री डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि हम इन्हें पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते, बिकॉज देयर एक्सपेंशन इज पॉसिबल एंड वी कैन नॉट डिसाइड व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ this type of terms। okay, so order is always defined। order, I can say that by seeing a differential equation, the highest derivative, so order will be the order of highest derivative। okay, but before talking about degree, we have to see this condition: if there is a term whose expansion is possible, then we cannot define the degree of that equation। as for example, e to the power dy by dx equals x square। okay, so here I see that a term involves that e to the power dy by dx, and this equation is not written in a polynomial form of differential coefficients। okay, so I say that the order is 1 but degree cannot be defined। but before saying that, we have to think about it once again: is there any possibility that I can remove this exponential part and make dy by dx free? So obviously we can take natural log both sides, so the equation becomes dy by dx equals to ln x square। so now this dy by dx, which is earlier trapped in exponential form, now it becomes free। okay, so I can now say that this is a differential equation written in a polynomial form, and the order of this differential equation is 1 and degree is 1। so before taking any decision, first we have to check, is there any possibility that we can make it in a simpler form or make it in a polynomial form of differential equation। okay, so the another example is e to the power dy by dx equals to d2y by dx square। here again I can see that this is not written in a polynomial form of differential coefficient, because यहाँ देखिए e के पावर में है dy by dx, और यहाँ पे तो ठीक है, यहाँ क्लियर है, बट यहाँ पे क्या है, ये dy by dx ट्रैप्ड है e में। ठीक है, तो अगर हम यहाँ इसे हम रिमूव करना चाहें, फ्री करना चाहें, तो हम फिर से नेचुरल लॉग लिख सकते हैं बोथ साइड। तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा dy by dx इक्वल्स टू ln d2y by dx स्क्वायर। तो देखिए हुआ क्या, हमने इसे फ्री किया बट ये ट्रैप्ड हो गया नेचुरल लॉग में, और अगेन इसका एक्सपेंशन पॉसिबल है, तो हम इसके ऑर्डर की तो बात कर सकते हैं। एज वी कैन सी दैट द हाईएस्ट डेरिवेटिव इन्वॉल्व इन दिस इक्वेशन इज d2y by dx स्क्वायर, सो ऑर्डर विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2, बट we cannot say anything about degree of this equation because this is again not written in a polynomial form of differential coefficient, so the degree is not defined here। clear? Now the third part is formation of differential equation. So how we form differential equation? हम differential equation को बनाते कैसे हैं? Okay. So actual में differential equation जो होता है ये represent करता है family of curves को. So differential equation basically represents the family of curves. So what is the family of curves? तो family of curve वैसा होता है, वैसे सारे curves होते हैं जो कुछ equal property को रखते हैं, है ना? As for example, I can say that y equals to mx. Okay. So this is a family of curve of all those curves which passes from origin in 2D. That is, all the straight line which passes from origin in 2D is represented by y equal mx. Okay. So y equal mx represent all the family of lines which passes through the origin. Okay. So here is a curve is given. So basically in differential equation of curve is given. Okay. So I differentiate this to make differential equation. ठीक है. तो जब हमें differential equation बनाना होगा तो हमें family of curve का equation दिया होगा, हम उसे differentiate करेंगे और उसका differential equation हम बना लेंगे. ठीक है. अगेन अगर differential equation दिया होगा तो हमें इसका solution चाहिए होगा, तो हम इसे क्या करेंगे, इंटीग्रेट करेंगे और फाइनली हम इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व को अचीव करेंगे. सो जनरली डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में हम ये दो ही काम करते हैं, गिवन इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व से डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का फॉर्मेशन एंड गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन से कर्व का फॉर्मेशन. ठीक है. सो हाउ वी फॉर्म डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, देयर आर सम स्टेप्स टू फॉलो. द फर्स्ट इज काउंट नंबर ऑफ arbitrary constants. So first we count all the arbitrary constant involved in the given equation of curve. Okay. So there must be careful about counting number of arbitrary constant, as here y equal mx. So here I can clearly see that there is only one arbitrary constant is involved, that is m. Okay. Let's take some another example for counting arbitrary constant. Just like I can take y equal ax plus b. So again this is a equation of straight line. So here there is two arbitrary constant involved, that is a and b. So we should try to minimize this arbitrary constant if possible. अगर possible है तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम इस arbitrary constant को कुछ minimize कर लें. तो अगर हम ट्राई करें, बोथ साइड डिवाइड कर दें 1 बाई बी से, 1 बाई बी सॉरी बोथ साइड अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं b से, y by b equals to a by b x plus 1. So here again we can see that 1 by b is an arbitrary constant, a by b is an arbitrary constant. So there is no benefit by dividing by b because we again get two arbitrary constants. So here take consideration that b cannot be equals to 0, otherwise this cannot be defined. तो यहाँ b से डिवाइड करने पर बोथ साइड हमें कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. ठीक है. तो यहाँ टोटल कितने आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट हैं, दो आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट है ना. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So if we divide from any of one, say a, so a of x plus b of ay plus c of a equals to 0. So here I can see that this will becomes x plus b upon ay plus c upon a equals to 0. So now the basic equation contains three arbitrary constant, and here there is only two arbitrary constant. Okay. Here a must be not equals to 0, otherwise this cannot be defined. तो हम ये देख रहे हैं कि जो कि थ्री आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट पे दिया हुआ था, हमने क्या किया, इसे टू आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. So before solving for forming differential equation, we must take care about counting arbitrary constants. The second step is, after counting the arbitrary constant, differentiate the given curve by number of arbitrary कांस्टेंट टाइम्स। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट स्टेप हम आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट को काउंट करेंगे। सेकेंड स्टेप में हम क्या करेंगे, जितने आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट आएंगे उतने ही टाइम्स हम डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को उतने ही टाइम्स हम कर्व को क्या करेंगे, डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे। ठीक है, द थर्ड वन इज रिमूव आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट to get final differential equation of given curve. Okay, so only we follow these three steps to form a differential equation for given equation of curve. Okay, so let's try. So here we already take our example y equal mx. So let's try to make differential equation of this curve. So here we can see that only one arbitrary constant is involved, that is m. So we have to differentiate it by only once. So only one arbitrary constant है ना। So दूसरे में क्या करेंगे, हम एक बार इसे डिफरेंशिएट कर लेंगे। So this will become dy by dx equals to m. Okay, so now this is an equation which contains differential terms and arbitrary constant. To make it complete differential equation, we have to remove this arbitrary constant, and to removing arbitrary constant we always take help from previous step. So from here I can see that m equals to y upon x. Now put this value of m here, so finally we get dy by dx equals to y upon x, and this will be my final differential equation of all lines passes through origin. Okay, so this is the differential equation of all line passes through origin. For a given family of curve, there is unique differential equation. ठीक है, तो इस बात को याद रखेंगे, किसी भी फैमिली ऑफ कर्व के लिए जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होता है वो यूनिक होता है। ठीक है, और कोई दूसरा उस कर्व के लिए कोई और डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन नहीं होगा जो उस कर्व को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा। मतलब कि एक फैमिली ऑफ कर्व के लिए दो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन नहीं हो सकती। ओके, द सेकेंड वन इज number of arbitrary equation in given curve is equal to the order of differential equation of given curve, है ना। तो यहाँ कहने का मतलब ये है कि किसी भी कर्व के डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का जो ऑर्डर होगा वो वही होगा जो उस कर्व के इक्वेशन में जितने आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट इन्वॉल्व करते हैं, है ना। जितने आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट उस कर्व के इक्वेशन में इन्वॉल्व होंगे, उस कर्व का ऑर्डर भी, उस कर्व के डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का ऑर्डर भी क्या होगा, उतना ही होगा। जैसा कि हमने प्रीवियस एग्जांपल में देखा y equal mx. So if anyone asks that what is the order of differential equation for this curve, so I directly say that as there is only one arbitrary constant is involved, then order of differential equation will be 1. Order will be what? 1. So let's take an example. A curve is given y equal c1 plus c2 e to the power x plus c3 e to the power c4x.